Okay, good morning. Welcome to
FunMath200.
FunMath number 200. So this morning we were working on an old AMC 8 from 2002, right?
Mm-hmm.
And they asked how many intersections, it's the maximum number of intersections you can have with two lines and one circle, right?
Mm-hmm.
We figured that out. What was the answer?
It was 5.
5. So here's a more challenging problem that I just made up. Find the maximum, well I didn't just make it up, this is kind of a famous problem. Find the maximum number of regions that n lines can divide a plane into. Okay, so we have a plane like our board, right?
Yeah.
And let's keep a little chart. Lines.
Well, isn't the
Regions.
plane infinitely long?
It is. Are you asking why our wall isn't infinitely long? Because that would have made our house too expensive.
Well, if the plane's infinitely long, then can it be divided into infinitely many pieces?
It could by infinitely many lines, but if I have a plane,
A small plane.
well, but pretend it's infinite, I'm just kind of showing, and I have one line, how many regions does the plane get divided into?
2 regions.
2. I could even start with 0, by the way.
Yeah.
If I have 0 lines, how many regions is the plane
One
divided into?
region.
1. With 1 line, it's 2 regions. With 2 lines, how many regions does the plane get divided into?
With 2 lines, it's divided into 4 regions.
Okay. Do you have any guess for what you think the next number is going to be?
Probably could be 6. 3 to 6.
Okay.
But aside from the first one, it's always been double.
Aside from the first one, it's always been double. Is there another pattern you see with these numbers? 1, 2, 4 that could come next?
Well, they just keep increasing. These two keep increasing by 2. 1, 2, 4.
You see a pattern?
No.
Keep looking.
1, 2, and 4.
1, 2, 4. Next could come.
Could come 6.
That's what you've said, because you said 6 because these two were double, but this one's not. So maybe there's another pattern with this one. 1, 2, 4. Does that ring a bell?
Well, it's odd, even, even.
That's true. Anything else?
Well, 1 doubled is 2 and 2 doubled is 4.
Ah! These are powers of 2. So what could come next?
It could come 8.
Could come 8 next, and that pattern actually works for all 3, not just for these 2, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's see. Now, I want to try and find a maximum, right? So what I don't want to do is draw a line through this point here, because that would be 3 lines intersecting at one point, and that wouldn't probably be my maximum. So let's go here, so that each line intersects in a point. Let's see if we can count the regions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, interesting. So we didn't get 6 or 7.
Or 8.
Oh, sorry, we didn't get 6 or 8. We got 7.
Interesting. Maybe there's a way we can get more.
Okay, now the question is, do you see any pattern with these numbers? Now, 1, 2, 4, 7. Because now the pattern is actually is there for you to see.
Well, 4 times 2 minus 1 is 7.
That's true, but you're trying to look at the pattern for all 4 numbers, not just one set of numbers.
It could go odd, even, even, odd, even, even, odd.
Okay, that's true, but even's not very specific. Lots of numbers are even. You see any way these 4 numbers are related?
Well, we know the first 3 are related.
Well, we're looking for the 4 now.
How are the 4?
Do you see any way they're related? There's a real easy way that these numbers are related to each other. There's a very simple pattern here.
What's the pattern?
Look at how they increase.
This one increases by 1, and 2, and 3.
Okay.
So the next one could increase by 4. 7 plus 4 is 11.
So we're maybe going to see 11 here if that pattern keeps going. Increase by 1, increase by 2, increase by 3, increase by 4. Okay, let's see if we can see 11. Remember, all we want to do is make sure we hit all the lines, but we don't ever intersect all 3 lines in one point. So let's do this. Okay, so now I hit this line, and that line, and I never intersected all in 3 points. So ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Interesting.
So we did get 11.
What do you think the next number would be?
Well, it would be 16.
Hey, wait, power of 2 again.
Maybe we get 2 evens, 2 odds, 2 evens, 2 odds.
Maybe. So anytime we want to go up, what do you think would be the next one after that?
It might be another power of 2, but it's 16. It would be 16 plus 6, which is 22.
22. So we're seeing a pattern now.
Yeah.
Right, was what we think. And we'll have to test this a little bit more to see it, but
yeah.
it's a neat little pattern, isn't it? All right. Good job, sweetie.